Okay, I think I got it working. So if we go to bank 1, device 1, it should move my tornado knob 1, and it does. And if I go to device 2, it should move my volcano on the same knob. And it does on that same channel strip. Device 3 should move my Saturn drive. And it does. Go to bank 2, same thing. Saturn drive is device 3 on bank 2. Device 2 is my volcano. Device 1 is my tornado. And over to bank 3, again, tornado on channel strip 3. Volcano on channel strip 3. And Saturn on channel strip 3. One knob, 9 devices, and you can do more than that.